And so one of the things that I wanted to do in this video is finally test out the Yi camera that I mentioned in a different video a while ago. This is not a sponsored video by Yi, however they did give me the camera for free in order to show how it works, and so I am filming with it right now. Before I was filming with my GoPro 6. And so one of the disadvantages I've noticed already is I think it is stuck on the wide angle and you can't change it, as opposed to both the new GoPro and also the Icontext camera that I filmed a lot of my older videos with. Then you could change the angle of the camera to a normal linear mode and then do the wide angle if you wanted, but I couldn't find a function to change from the wide angle. So that is one drawback. The big advantage of these things is they are super cheap. They're like $60. Curious to see how the stabilization does on this. Also, it is not waterproof. I did not get a waterproof case with the camera, so I won't be going underwater with this. All right, wow. Nice looking waterfall up here. Oh man, this place is ultimate. All right, so here is one of the properties and also the end of the road, it looks like. This is a good chance to slip and fall in my butt and break a knee or something, especially trying to do this with a drink in one hand and a camera in the other. Tempting fate here. Wow, what a spot. And look what we got here. Trippy, trippy gecko lizard thing. Haven't seen one quite like that before. He's like, get your camera out of my face, man. Trying to blend in. All right, I'm just heading back to get rid of my garbage here. Gonna go to the bottom of that waterfall and go for a swim. A little sketchy getting across here. I guess I gotta go over this thing. All right, I think I actually made a little mistake and came down to the river too soon, and I should have been over like on that trail over there. So I gotta cross over the creek again. Got a spider web here. And no, there are no dangerous mammals like man-eating monkeys or, ooh, except somebody lost their shoe, hopefully not because of man-eating monkeys. There are like pigs and goats and stray cats, but nothing you actually got to worry about. Not even poisonous spiders. There are cane spiders that are pretty big and a little scary looking, but harmless, and no snakes. But there are centipedes. That's the one hazard, actually. They're very rare and not really worth worrying about, but they are huge, and I did get bit by one once, and it does hurt. Oh, yeah. And so this is the trail I should have went down to get to the Twin Falls. And so everything has been filmed with the Yi camera since I mentioned it. However, I'm going to switch over to the GoPro once I jump in the water there, since I don't have the waterproof case for this thing.